Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. First, open your terminal on your computer. Now run the Figma MCP server installation command in the terminal and press enter to start the installation process. This will download and install the files needed for Claude Code to communicate directly with your Figma account. Once the installation is complete, restart Claude Code if it is already running. Then type /plugin and press enter to open the plugin marketplace. Here you will see all available plugins that can extend the functionality of Claude Code. Now use the right arrow key on your keyboard and go to the Installed tab. Then find the Figma Server plugin from the list of installed plugins. Here, press enter to open the plugin and begin the connection process. Now press enter again to start authentication. After that, an external browser page will open automatically. Here, sign into your Figma account if you are not already logged in. Then click Allow Access to grant Claude Code permission to access your Figma workspace and design files. This allows Claude Code to read design information such as components, layouts, variables, design systems, and selected frames. Once the authentication is complete, return to Claude Code. Now type /plugin again and open the Installed tab. Here, check the status of the Figma Server plugin. If everything was set up correctly, it should display connected. After that, Claude Code can access supported Figma resources and help you work with designs more efficiently. You can use it to review design files, understand layouts, generate code from selected frames, work with components, and stay aligned with your design system. If the plugin does not show as connected, restart Claude Code and repeat the authentication process. Once the plugin shows connected, your Figma account is successfully linked to Claude AI through Claude Code and you're ready to start using Figma resources directly inside your workflow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.